Okay, so on this image, I'm going to use the healing brush rather than the clone stamp. I want to blend in some problem areas. There's a couple of rocks on the flagstone and some spots on the side of the building that I'm going to get rid of. So I'm going to select the healing brush. Remember, you've got the choice here, healing or clone. And I'm going to make this big so I can see what I'm doing. So right now, I'm going to make the brush a little bit bigger than what I'm cloning. Or shall I say healing. And here we go. So I'm going to paint that in there. I can move my source here, but notice what it's doing. It's picking from the area, the next area that I'm going to actually clone away. Make the brush a little bit smaller for the next one, and I'm going to paint right here. And I think I'm going to pick from down here as well. So I can change the point where it's sourcing from. I'll just hit done. So those two spots are gone. Now, because I hit done, I have to go back to the clone, and I'm going to take care of this little area over here. And pick something that's closer to what we're looking at. Looking good. Same with right here. Looking pretty good. I'm going to do this one right here as well. Fantastic. Hit done again. Make this a little smaller. So looking pretty good. Now I'm going to move over here to the side of the building. I want to get rid of that spot right there. So I'm going to go back to this clone. I'm going to see how big that brush is, and I'm just going to come in here. That looks like it's picking a pretty good source point. I'm going to move over here to this little line. That's looking pretty good as well. And now I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller and move around, see if I can see anything else I'd like to get rid of. I might as well just get rid of that right there. Hit done. Okay, so the healing brush blends. I blended away some things. You can change your source point. Go and have some fun.